welcome to Tiny Treasures. I am here with Poe, and we thought it would be fun to play some toy dominoes. We're going to use all of these figures. You can see some of your favorite characters, and we're going to line them up on the floor, and we'll push one over and watch the rest fall. Let's see if we're successful. Oh, no biting the microphone. Silly kitten. Let's see, who should we line up first? How about one of the Toddlers? Let's line up in the night garden toys first. Where's another Toddler? We want to put it right behind so that when we knock it over, it will hit the other Toddler. Do we have another Toddler? No, we forgot the other Toddler. Oh dear. Well, we have Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle's quite tall. And do you see any more in the night garden characters? There's Makapaka. Makapaka, you have sand on your belly. Were you playing at the beach? A little piece of shell, too. All right, let's do our Daniel Tiger characters next. We are all finished lining up our toys. Oh, and here comes Lala. Don't knock any up. Oh, dear. Silly kitten knocking down the toys. Here we are. We have Teletubbies, Peppa Pig toys, and then we did a little turn. BLUEY toys. There's Dora, some Muppet babies, Mickey and Minnie. Now it's going to happen fast. You ready? Let's count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, it already stopped. Oh, I think the little panda is too light. We'll take the little blue panda out and try it again. Second try. Uh-oh, what happened this time? Katarina Kitty didn't knock over Dad Tiger. Let me see. This time I put Dad Tiger behind Upsy Daisy since Upsy Daisy's quite heavy. Okay, third try. Oh, now it only made it to the Teletubbies. Let's push Tinky Winky and see if we can knock over the rest of the toys. Almost. And Mickey stays standing. Now, I don't like to give up, so this time I put the toys very close together, all in a straight line. Let's give it another try. Oh, we almost did it this time. We almost did it, Tiny fans. Only Mickey and Minnie are left standing. Remember never to give up. You can accomplish anything you set your mind to. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.